Well, hi, welcome to Lane Speed Racing, the shop as usual. But today we're doing something a little nicer.
Yeah, we're not actually inside the shop.
We're not inside the shop, I know it's a little cold out, but we're installing this Tomei exhaust on my buddy Everett. This is Everett, everybody. Hello.
Hey,
Welcome him.
my piece of garbage.
This is his very clean 2002 or 3?
2002.
2, it's the same thing. Wagon, WRX. And it's getting this nice Tomei Extreme Titanium exhaust. And we will unbox it right now. Alright, so here we got the mid pipe, I would assume. This looks like the cat after the cat back. What do we got here? We got the muffler, very nice.
Big boy.
Big, but it's so light. Look at that. Very nice. What must it be like buying nice fancy parts? And then it looks like it came with a hardware kit, which is very nice because you don't usually get exhaust bolts off without snapping them in half. So
Now, people of Lane Speed Racing fandom, they've seen this part a cajillion times.
oh yes,
But they've never seen it on this kind of car.
I know. This is a little different.
This is a hatchback instead.
And the first time I jacked up with stock WRX, I might have panicked a little because there were parts that I'd never seen before. It was all different, new, and
Exciting.
exciting. This would be step one of installing your Tomei exhaust. Obviously, jack the car up.
Maybe we should put the Tomei together.
Or just lay it out. We could just lay it out.
We should do that.
Yeah. Another thing you want to make sure that you get some PV blaster on is all of the hangers. The like rubber hangers. Helps break them loose.
Think AutoZone have it?
They should, yeah, I think they should have it. AutoZone or Riley's, one of them's gonna have it. It's just a little, like, I don't know what it's probably made out of asbestos, I guess. Just like a little gasket thing.
Probably.
One little caveat, I guess you could say. When you're putting this exhaust on a stock downpipe, you have to have this adapter. Trim speed makes a good one. Looking at the quality, it's very nice. So this is the downpipe side. The stock downpipe fits in this here. The Tomei fits on that.
Aaron's grill.
Yeah, this is my.
Oh, you cook stuff up here?
Oh yeah.
Man, these are tasty.
We got oil pumps. We got axle hubs. We got studs. We got head bolts. We got engine mounts. We've got subframe connectors. We got a random oil filter chilling in there. Head gaskets. Don't want to lose all your head gaskets. You know what I mean? Oil filter. Or cooler. Anyway.
So we're back from AutoZone.
Yeah. They had the part.
There it is.
Yo, it fits. sucks because I got gloves on.
Yeah. That's it. Couple tech tips. Bolts. When you're putting this adapter on, make sure you put the nut on the bolt side, not on the washer side. Because these not on the nut side, sorry. Because these nuts are designed to lock onto the surface. So please don't do that. Don't put the washer on the nut side, put it on the bolt side. Yes, sir. There we go. You done? Oh no, please don't. Ah. Okay, we're good. Screwdriver. Pull it up, hook it on, pull the screwdriver out. That's
simple. Well, as you can see by the progress, we've got it on.
We got it on.
And we're gonna fire it up.
Yeah, I just hit it.
Yeah, no. That sounds really good. Let it warm up for a bit. I know, I wasn't gonna run it yet. That sounds good. I guess if you have it down to yeah, how do you even tell if there is exhaust system? You'll hear it. You'll hear it. It'll sound like tick, 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 tick. But there's no way to fix that. You're gonna have a clock. But there's none right here, so that's good. That's the one I'd be concerned about. These are just small little leaks. But how straight the pipe to exhaust is, you're not going to really tell. If you want to listen, you can. That's fine. I can see where the little point is coming down.
Like, I already feel like I'm at a super high RPM.
The airport is and stuff. That's where I would go out to.
Yes. This is so loud. It's only at like 4.
Oh, the little crackles. It's the little crackles.
You can kind of hear the spring a little bit.
Yeah,
But it probably will go away though.
It could go away. It might just kind of be one of the things about this exhaust. So that's something. I think one of the springs is like vibrating a little bit. It just makes like a tiny little noise.
See how quiet
It's not like I don't think it's a big deal.
Well, this is not that bad.
Like, it's not that bad.
But this is.
Hairpin left.